How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and we're starting off this vlog inside the house. But if y'all want to know what a $10 piece of plastic is, I'll show you all in a minute. So, unfortunately, my original parking brake, as you can see right there, the handle broke off just due to old age and whatnot, and so I had to buy a new one. So from Amazon, as you know, I got that Amazon Prime stuff, so I get 2-day free shipping and whatnot. This little piece of plastic that probably didn't take them 25 cents to make. There it is. So we're gonna put that sucker on and we'll go from there. So guys, that is what $10 worth of plastic looks like, and as you can see, works perfectly good. But yeah, $10 for that piece of plastic. Well, Trucks and Water weather report. Winter has finally now kind of settled into East Tennessee. We've been blessed this past week or so with like 60-degree weather, sunny. I mean, it's been absolutely fantastic. But now it's kind of getting gloomy and 40 degrees and stuff like that, unfortunately. So, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of winter. If I could have a vacation home down in Florida, you bet your ass I'd be down there right now. But I guess just one of those things. I mean, the snow is nice. I like a good snow, but I mean, don't like the aftermath of it, you get what I mean. But yeah, kind of a gloomy day in East Tennessee now. I understand if you're in a hurry, you need to run to a store to get something real quick, but you seriously cannot park in the lines? I mean, I don't know. I mean, even me running 20 by 12, which isn't a big wheel and tire whatsoever, but it sticks out past a truck, I can still fit inside most parking spaces, so I don't know. Hey guys, it is Sunday. It's just a crappy day out. It's just misting, it's cold. Like I said, East Tennessee weather has finally set in where it's damp and cold and wet now, and it sucks. But anyways, we're gonna make the most of it though. That's what we do. Right now I'm in Norris. I just got done filming a couple videos for this week. So, you know, if you haven't seen those, tag will be popping up now for those, so make sure you go check those out. But who knows where the rest of this day is gonna go, but we'll see. That awkward moment when you go down the wrong road and you end up in a place you shouldn't be at, and someone's following you that lives there. Sorry, buddy, I didn't mean to. Alright guys, I'm at my local Ford dealership, and they don't have like but one F250 here. It's a 350, so here's a 250, 6.7 Powerstroke, of course, Lariat. Like the color of this, I don't know if it's called like gunmetal gray, but looks really good. But let's see how much they're asking for it. $75,000. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. I mean, freaking awesome interior though, but yeah, that ain't gonna happen. But then we got this all black STX 4x4 F-150. See if it's got the center console. It does have the center console, because that's what I'm looking for. I have to have a center console in the vehicle because of for all my stuff I carry with me on a daily basis. And this one's going for $46,700. It's got the 5.0 in it. Okay, the 5.0 V8, so that's a good. I either want the 5.0 or the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. I might want to get the EcoBoost more, just for the sheer fact that you can tune them and stuff. And then we got this guy over here, which is the Sport 4x4, which is what I really want, is the XLT Sport 4x4. It's got everything you want, but not a lot of optional extras. It's got heated seats and stuff like that. And this one's going for $56,000. Wow, for an XLT Sport. It's got the 3.5 liter EcoBoost, 355 electronic locking rear axle. I mean, it looks like it's got everything you want though, but that's a little steep for what I'm looking for. There's Babe, being all cute. I mean, it's a nice truck, but I don't know for $56,000. I'd rather go out and buy a gently used diesel at that point. All right, guys, this is what I was kind of eyeballing when I came in. This is all black Sport 4x4 XLT F-150. Got the interior I want, everything, like kind of the other one, but of course I would get it windows darkened and everything like that truck right there. Nice 5.0 Mustang. Got the sticker ripped up. 56.3. Good lord. It's got the 5.0 V8 in this one though. No, it needs a bed liner and stuff like that. But I mean, it's a nice truck. It might be unlocked. Let's see if it's unlocked. It might be unlocked. Nope, it's not. Dang it. Oh well. But yeah, that's a nice truck. But again, for $56,000, I can go buy a very gently used 6.7 Powerstroke, or even a 6.7 Cummins. And then you got the FX4 package. So this is probably the Lariat. No, it's STX for $47,400. Nice looking truck though. All right, they've got a F250 here, FX4 package. It's an older model one. No, not the interior I want, so never mind. A nice sport F-150 right here in a lift kit, but I can do extended cab in my truck. That's the way they kind of came from the factory or whatever. That's the only options you had. They had a 4-door option, it was very rare. But I need a full 4-door if I'm going to get a newer truck. Nice F350, but that's a lot of overkill for what I need. And then you got this nice F250 XLT. Not the interior I want though. Dang. Yeah, my next truck I'm very picky about. Guys, I'm at Fox Toyota now. The usual places we look at vehicles anyways. They got an extended cab Super Duty here. Black. I don't know if it's a diesel or not though. No, I think this is a gas one. Yep, gas trucks, because it's got a high rev limiter on it. Of course, you got the Duramax is still here. Some of them, nothing really that catches my eye. Don't really like that style of F-150s that much. Even though my mom's got one, I'm just not a huge fan of them. I rather like this body style better. But I have been, this may sound crazy, I have been thinking about getting a Tundra to build, even though they're like the worst trucks to lift and put offset wheels and tires on. You have to do that body mount chop or something like that. It's an SR5 full 4-door. It's not bad. Black just sucks to clean. I like this gray one. That's nice too, the limited. This white one looks really good, SR5. And then you got another limited gray. Do a lot with this color actually. Now this is the year I kind of want to. 2017. Yeah, it's kind of the year I want. Nice leather. Not a huge fan of the color though, but yeah. I mean, yeah, like I said, guys, I'm very picky what my next truck's gonna be, because I'm gonna spend the money. I'm gonna get exactly what I want. But black limited 43. 2015 with only 5,000 miles on it. What the heck? But it's got the I love this style front end of the 20 I think it's 14 and newer or 15 and newer. I love the front ends on these Tundras. You can do a lot with them. Hey guys, I just found some land for sale around where I live, about 30 acres or so. I have been, you know, looking at buying land and like either building a house or finding a house, a small house with land. I don't really care how big the house is, honestly, guys. I don't know if you're the same way, but I'm trying to plan out my future in the sense of like, I want, you know, land and whatnot, and I want a big garage, of course. The house doesn't have to be big, but I want it nice, of course. So I've been looking around, so let's go explore this. For sale right there. See the for sale sign. So we'll put the truck down in 4-wheel just in case. Let that lock in. Drop the truck in the neutral. Let the truck do its thing, and then we'll go explore it. Yep, it's locked in. I just heard it. Got a cool little pond right there, too. And before anybody asks, yes, this is actually for sale. I'm not, well, I don't know really if I'm trespassing or not, but I'm not doing any burnouts on here. I'm just kind of crawling my way down. I just want to see what the land looks like. And when I'm actually am seriously thinking about buying land after I get out of college. Because college is taking up all my freaking money right now. If y'all are in college, you know what I'm talking about. That pond needs some work though. Oh my god, it's gross. Go to the top of this hill. It'd be interesting to test out these 420s, see how they do. Yeah, no slippage. even on really, really wet, damp grass, which I'm very surprised about because they're not exactly an off-roading tire. Huh, so this is the 30 acres. I know, before anybody says anything, Josh, you're not really off-roading, you're just in grass. Well, grass is super wet and slick, and I don't know how these 420s would do because they're not exactly like a off-road lug tire, but they did pretty good in grass. It didn't slip up going up that hill. I mean, it's not, of course the GoPro's not going to do it justice, but you know, it's a pretty good size hill. Well, it's really slick. So but yeah, it's a nice piece of property. I would not mind doing something, building a house here or something like that. But man, look at that. She looks so good in the freaking nastiness.